The Ukraine war is known for its innovative military developments. For example, in this conflict, we've seen commercial drones being rigged to carry explosives and used as an offensive tool. Social media reports suggest that a new, mobile, ground-based air defense system has made its way into Ukraine, which uses AIM-132 ASRAAM, Advanced Short-Range Air-to-Air Missile, as per comments made by an unknown Ukrainian lieutenant colonel working in Kyiv's Air Defense Command. The Times reported that the UK Ministry of Defense, MOD, had sent a few Supacat trucks rigged by British engineers to fire ASRAAM. According to the report, these systems are primarily deployed to intercept swarms of Russia's Iranian-supplied Shahed suicide drones, but some of the systems are also supporting Ukraine's counteroffensive. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes how AIM-132 ASRAAM with mobile launcher could be super useful for Ukraine. Let's get started. Social media images reveal a 6x6 Supacat all-terrain truck chassis equipped with a twin-rail launcher at the rear, capable of holding a pair of ASRAAMs. Additionally, a sensor turret can be seen mounted on a pylon near the truck's cab, leading military experts to speculate that it may possess target cueing capabilities with electro-optical and infrared functionalities. Some analysts even suggest that the turret could potentially house a short-range radar system. Supacat is a British all-terrain mobility platform sent to Ukraine. It's a lightweight vehicle used by airborne and air mobile forces of the British Army since 1988. Supacat has permanent six-wheel drive, 6x6, with the front four wheels, 2 axles, steered conventionally by using rotating handlebar arrangement. It's fitted with low-pressure tires and has low ground pressure. This all-terrain vehicle has excellent cross-country capability and also has limited amphibious capability. It's available in a range of configurations to meet different operational requirements. It can be fitted with various weapon systems, communications equipment, and other mission-specific gear. ASRAAM, or Advanced Short-Range Air-to-Air Missile, also known by its United States identifier AIM-132, is an imaging infrared homing, heat-seeking air-to-air missile produced by MBDA UK that's designed for close-range combat. Viewers may note that MBDA is also the manufacturer of Meteor Beyond Visual Range missile, which is considered to be the best missile in its class. AIM-132 is in service in the Royal Air Force, RAF, and Royal Australian Air Force, RAAF, replacing the AIM-9 Sidewinder. In 2017, ASRAAMs were fired from F-35 Joint Strike Fighter at Naval Air Station Patuxent River and Edwards Air Force Base in the U.S. This was the first time that a UK-designed missile had been fired from an F-35 jet, and the first time any non-U.S. missile had ever been fired from the warplane. ASRAAM is 9 feet 6 inches long, weighs a little under 200 pounds, and has a 6.5-inch diameter. It shares many similarities with the AIM-9X Sidewinder. The missile is designed to allow the pilot to fire and then turn away before the opposing aircraft can close for a shot. It flies at well over Mach 3 to ranges in excess of 25 kilometers or 16 miles. ASRAAM accepts target information via the aircraft sensors, such as the radar or helmet-mounted sight, but can also act as an autonomous infrared search and track system. It can also be used in lock-on after launch or LOAL mode. ASRAAM retains a 50G maneuverability provided by body lift technology coupled with tail control, which enables it to take on highly agile targets. Kyiv has been urging its NATO allies for increased air defense capabilities to effectively counter the damage caused by missiles, drones, and other hostile aircraft targeting its equipment and troops stationed at the front lines. The United Kingdom has remained steadfast in its provision of military assistance to Ukraine, aiding its troops in embracing innovation and adapting to modern technology. Amid the ongoing conflict, Kyiv has taken measures to integrate various weapons systems to effectively address the challenges posed by Russia, striving to create a more balanced and equitable battlefield. Supacat, with its great mobility, can operate close to the front lines. AIM-132 ASRAAM could be lethal for Iranian-made drones, as well as Russian Ka-52 alligators, which have been deadly. Although information regarding this new British system's specifics sent to Ukraine is limited, it has been widely appreciated as a valuable addition to the Ukrainian military. As Kyiv's forces continue their counteroffensive, the acquisition of any short-range air defense, SHORAD capabilities is deemed essential and beneficial.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.